Hello everyone, I am Prashant Wakhare. Discussed in the last video about the function in Python programming language. Today friends, we'll discuss some more knowledge in the function, that is the global variable and local variable. So before going to discuss the global variable and local variable, you should know the concept of the scope of the variable and lifetime of the variable. So in Python programming language, you cannot just access any variable from any part of your program. Some of the variables may not even exist for the entire duration of the program, in which part of the program you can access a variable and in which part of the program a variable exists depend on how the variable has been declared. So therefore, we need to understand these two things. First one is the scope of the variable and second one is the lifetime of the variable. Scope of the variable means part of the program in which a variable is accessible is called its scope of this variable. And second one is the lifetime of the variable means duration for which the variable exists is called its lifetime of that variable. So guys, see here the slide local and the global variable. So first see the global variable. Global variable are those variables which are defined in the main body of the program file. Means you can access throughout this variable throughout the program. Means they are visible throughout the program file. As a good programming habit, you must try to avoid the use of global variable because they may get altered by mistake and then result in erroneous output. But this does not mean that you should not use them at all. So as a golden rule, use only those variables or objects that are meant to be used globally, like your functions and classes should be put in global section of the program. And second one is the local variable. A local variable which is defined within a function is called local variable to that function. A local variable can be accessed from the point of its definition until the end of the function in which it is defined. It exists as long as the function is executing. Function parameter behave like a global variable in the function. Moreover, wherever we use the assignment operator inside a function, a new local variable is created. So see this example, you will before the example see this difference, you will more clear what is the global variable and what is the local variable. So local variable means they are global variable means first point they are defined in the main body of the program file, and local variable they are defined within a function and is local to that function. Second difference is they can be accessed throughout the program file as a global variable, and local variable they can be accessed from the point of its definition until the end of the block in which it is defined. So that is the limit of the scope of that variable. And third point of the global variables are accessible to all functions in the program. In local variable, they are not related in any way to other variable within the same names used outside the function. So see this example, you will more clear. So in this example, first line 10 is assigned to the a variable. The second line is this print this a's value. Then third line is the definition of the function. So if you see here that this is the function header part, that is the function definition, and this is the body of the function. So if you write here the function header, then you have to write the function calling function. So see here I have written the scope name is the user defined the calling function. So 20 is a pass the parameter or the argument. This 20 value is passed. So your compiler or interpreter, when you write this user defined calling function, your compiler or interpreter directly jump to their definition. So this 20 value as it is copied into the B. So see this print B, it will be print. So this print is the 20. So 20 will be print. Now see here the 30. I have assigned this C as a locally because this C is the local variable. Because this limit is the only this function of the body of the function. So your print C will be 30 and this A. So now your A is the globally. So if you write the any variable in the globally, you can access throughout the program file. So therefore you can access the throughout the program file. This print A will be the 10. Now your next line is the end this function body. So your compiler or interpreter then go to the back, that is the function calling, and in the next line I have written the print C. So it will be showing the error because you cannot access this local value to outside of the function body. So when you execute this example, you will more clear. So see this example. Suppose if I not write here the global result keyword, if I give the comments, then you see you will showing the error line number 10. So this is line number 10 is the print C. Print C is not defined. So therefore I think you will clear here the this local value you cannot access through the outside of the function body. But when you removing these comments and after the removal of the comment execute this program, you will get this print C value is the 30. Means when you use the result keyword is the global, then you can access this C's value throughout the program. I think you more clear this example. This is the global C. Global one is the result keyword. Total 30 result keyword in the Python programming. In the 30 result keyword, global is also the one of these. Thank you.